If you're trying to use Bimmercode and you keep getting a connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple things you can do to fix this problem quickly. Let's get started. First, make sure your OBD adapter is properly connected to your car. Bimmercode works by connecting your phone to the vehicle through an OBD adapter. So if the adapter is loose or not fully plugged in, the app may not be able to detect your car. Next, check that your phone is connected to the adapter correctly. Most adapters use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So go to your phone's settings and make sure the connection is active. If you're using Bluetooth, open the Bluetooth settings and confirm that your phone is paired with the adapter. If it's a Wi-Fi adapter, make sure your phone is connected to the adapter's Wi-Fi. Network. Another important step is to close the app and open it again. Sometimes the connection error happens because the app didn't initialize the connection properly. Simply close the app completely, reopen it, and try connecting again. You should also make sure that the app is fully updated. Open your App Store. Search for the Bimmercode app and check if an update is available. If there is one, install it because updates often fix connection bugs. Finally, restart your phone and try connecting again. Restarting your device refreshes the system and can resolve temporary connection issues. After doing these steps, open the Bimmercode app again and try connecting to your vehicle. In most cases, the connection error should now be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Bimmercode connection error in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.